Hi guys, just a wee update. I've not got much videos done. I've been getting an hour here or there with this rain on to get block one. It's the camera. I'll not get inside the tarpaulin, which we just managed to keep doing. You can tell with all the switch around, all the block all the way around. So we can see where we've got to. I'm just going to do an hour or so tonight. All the spaces are for cuts that need to go in. So we're getting there, so there'll be a wee video, just a wee bit. I'm going to show mainly still pictures and that through it for what I've did over the last week or so. Alright, thanks guys. Hi guys, you can see now, that's me get the pea gravel in the back for extra support these walls all the way around. There's going to be another bed of concrete in here to bring it up to the height of there, so the filter shed comes right out to here. You can see all the way around. Pea gravel, pea gravel. So this, I've got a couple of bags of clay to go back in here. So aye, getting there. As you can see, the walls are up tight. That heat yesterday and the day before this rain came back on. Aye, we're getting there, as you can see. Hi guys, I've done another couple of others in here, filled up gaps and all sorts. Started the window's going to start. It should have started here, but I'm going to make a bigger window. That's just, so now we're at, what are we at? 3 foot there. We're just under 4 foot there. So you can see the 2 black lines. That's the width of the window. That's me starting. Get that corner in. I've not filled that in because that's my access at the moment until this rain goes off. Then once I get a cup, I'll start using this as access. We'll turn this around. I've put that block in. All this in tonight. These, that finished that corner. So that was just one bar mix. So we're getting there. But just say Rome wasn't built in a day. Thanks very much for watching. So if you please like it, subscribe, and please feel free to comment. I get back to 99% of the comments. If I miss one, I'm sorry, but I don't think I've missed one yet. So this wee video will just be a wee reel just to see pictures of where we've went. Cheers, thank you guys.